welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make my special family recipe. It's Russian crepes. They're super easy to make and you don't need that many ingredients for them. Plus, with one recipe you can feed your whole family. I'm also going to show you my family favorite toppings to add to them. Now as usual, let's go see the ingredients we need. The first step to making Russian crepes is the ingredients. Here are all the ingredients: vegetable oil, milk, flour, salted butter, and eggs. Now let's get started. I put 2 eggs in the bowl and I'm gonna beat them until they're like fluffy and foamy. Stop and show you what it should be like. It should be foamy like this, kind of. Moving on to the next ingredient. Look at what I found. My great-grandmother's apron, and it's actually from Russia. This is gonna help me when I add some flour. It's not gonna get me messy. Anyways, the second ingredient to add is boiling hot water. This glass is about 400 milliliters tall, so you should add about the same. Be careful because it's burning hot. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. Look at how foamy and puffy that is. Wow. The next ingredient I'm going to add is some milk. As you can see, it's the same glass I used for the boiling hot water, and this milk can be in room temperature, refrigerator, it doesn't matter. So you're gonna add 400 milliliters of it and mix. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Next step is add a teaspoon of salt. And also use the same glass as the milk and the hot water of flour. So put that. Put it little by little. I'm putting it like this. Then for the batter is 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So I'm going to add that. And mix one more time. Mixing. Now let's test the texture. Okay, as you can see, there are no lumps. It's like so smooth, like a soup, but no ingredients inside of it. So this is ready. Now let's go to the pan. I'm using a medium pan, so when I put the batter on and the bottom part is ready, it's easy to flip. I added vegetable oil, so I'm going to spray it with this tool. Okay, so putting it on, spreading it. Okay, Mom's going to help me with the flipping part since it's a little bit hard for me. I also want to point out that when you hit the pan, when the batter hits the pan, turn on the stove to the lowest. Usually I put it on to 3 and then I wait. This one is ready, so it's going to this
pile.
As you can see, I'm making my last crepe, and I have a pile right here, and each time I put a crepe on, I spread butter on it, but you don't have to do that. It depends on you. So I'm gonna finish this last one and add it to the pile, then we'll be done. My crepes are ready, so let's go see my favorite toppings to add. So the first toppings I added were whipped cream and raspberries, and I added those. There's two ways you could fold it. You could fold it like a quesadilla into a triangle, or you could roll it up. I'm gonna roll it up for my first one. First crepe done. My favorite toppings are Nutella and banana slices. So let's spread that. Okay, so first Nutella. Okay, I'm done. Now let's add the banana slices. Boop. 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 Okay, now let's do a quesadilla this time. Whoop. Whoop. And let's stop there. Now I'm just spreading condensed milk around my third crepe. And you could also use jam. But if you don't like any sweet things like my mom, you could use caviar, cheese, mushrooms, avocados, salmon, a lot of things, anything you would like. But if you don't have any ingredients or toppings, then you could just eat them plain, like this. They still taste good. I think my crepes turned out really good. All of them are gone. I think my grandma would be really proud of me for making Russian crepes. Oh, speaking of which, babushka, передаю привет. Before I forget, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye!